you clap. Clap.
It's a video.
A video?
Yeah. So got my dad here with me.
Yes.
Celebrating my son's first birthday party.
Yeah.
Decorating. We got here super early, set up the food and whatnot. All right, so when August sees this at 18, right?
Something to remember.
Yeah, what advice you want to give him for when he turns 18?
Stay in school.
Stay in school?
Yeah, that's it. Listen wisely to your father and mom.
You hear that? You hear that, Gus? You gotta listen.
Listen.
All right?
It's the key, communication.
Communication is the key.
Yes, sir.
All right, listen to your mom and dad, all right?
Yeah.
And good things will happen.
Yeah, pray a lot. Happy pray.
Yay! Look at that big old smack on your face. August. Yeah. All right, so August, this is like a message to your 18-year-old self coming to you live from Trista and Mike, all right?
What's
up, bro? What up?
Happy 18th birthday. We love you.
Happy 18th. You made it, buddy.
You made it.
You made it.
We've always loved you. Keep doing right by you.
Yeah.
Keep being you.
Rocking out.
Keep having an awesome
Now you're an adult officially. Time to wild out and have some good experiences.
Where could he go?
Go to the shows, go to concerts, go travel, go hiking out in the woods, get in touch with nature, and just enjoy your life.
Do it for the ancestors.
That's right. All right, this is Grandma Sean. All right, this is August's grandma, my mom, and she's gonna give you a message for your 18th birthday. What is it, Mom?
You were a gift when you were born. We love you so much and wish you more birthday. Happy birthday and I love you.
Okay. Any advice for him at 18?
Don't date no girls.
What do you want him to do instead of dating?
College. He has to finish college, of course.
Uh-huh.
And then also listen to his parents.
Yeah, listen. You heard that? Tell him to listen to me, all right? Everything
Always
that I
listen to
say.
his parents and also add advice from his grandparents.
Okay. That's right. Give him one more kiss.
I love you, my grandson.
Okay.
So happy to be with you.
All right, August. So you're going to see this video at some point. I don't know what age, but we're talking to your 18-year-old self.
And maybe you'll keep it, right?
Yeah. Who knows?
Until you're 18.
Yeah.
And rewatch it.
This is your Tati, Cindy. Yo, what up, gang? This is my sister, Cindy. And we're giving August a little pep talk. Well, first, number one, he's way past his bedtime.
Yeah.
So shout outs to you for like
staying
trooping and
up.
staying up. right?
On your birthday.
On your birthday. Okay, this is your, like, we're talking to your 18-year-old self. Right now, you're probably cringing looking at this video.
Oh no.
But look at how handsome your dad is. Look
And
how
beautiful
beautiful.
your auntie is. Oh, wow. He's like, wait.
He's like, yo, hold up.
I don't want to hear all
I
that.
ain't trying to
I want to
all
hear
that.
about how cute I
You was just crying like a minute ago, but now you want to act all
am. And hear
tough.
how cute I am. Okay,
Yeah.
some advice for your 18-year-old self
Yeah.
is make sure you go to a good school.
Get a good
Get
education.
a good education because you are gonna so need it in this world and in this life. It's hard nowadays, so I can imagine in 18 more years or 17 more years, you know. And have fun, travel,
Travel the globe.
and yes,
No.
be a sweetie like I know you are. You know, be kind to people. And you know, love and respect your parents. Listen to them. And you know, be a good boy and enjoy like being a teenager and enjoy like all the freshness and newness of the world.
That's right.
Alright? That's my
All right, let's get
advice.
back to the party. You see, this is exactly the temperament you better not have when you're 18, all right?
No.
But we're gonna go back to the party
Right now,
and
he
some
is
more messages
adorable.
after our message from our sponsors. All right. August 18th birthday.
Well, that means like we know they're alive, but now we know they're
Listen to your mother.
Yeah.
Because, as your father will tell you, I'm always right. And as long as you keep me happy, I'm going to make you really happy. All right?
All right, so this is Auntie Tina.
Hi, August. Well, you're not a baby anymore, but today when I saw you, you was. But to my future August, I just want you to be as great and as focused as your dad and your mom. They reach for their dreams, and no matter what happened, they continue. So I pray that you have the same encouraging and motivational spirit, and know that no matter what you think, you can do it. Love, Tati Chino.
So this is Auntie Jael.
Hi, August. Well, if you made it to 18, that means your parents did a great job. I know you have a lot of girlfriends like Daddy, but you're gonna be smarter than him and marry young women just like your mom. I just want to say love, peace, and all great things to you and your family. Love you.
Okay. All right, so as this party's coming to an end, we got the OG, If I Only Knew.
Hold up! I gotta be in that goddamn party.
Oh,
Yo, it's Uncle Mike. What's up? What's going on?
what up?
Real OG. Chilling with my boy. Everybody see the young baby, Lofar. We doing the damn thing. Hey, man, what's going on, man?
Yo, shout out to the people.
Shout out to all the people who's not here. You know what I'm saying?
This is my uncle right here.
C been a long way.
Michael Ange.
That's right.
Right, the artist
This is
himself.
something live we doing?
Yeah, this is live.
Yeah,
man.
you're on Facebook right now.
Oh, wow.
Yo, take six.
I'm the crazy uncle in the family. All right, we got 10 drinks already. We're about to
This
get
is
back.
actually going on here too.
Oh, no, I'm just playing y'all.
No.
You're supposed to go strong and hard, man. At that point,
Yeah, you gotta go all the way.
Yo, my nephew getting old, man. I feel old, man. I remember Caesar, man. Playing Nintendo, all that
all
game
day
stuff.
long, all day long.
Now Caesar's
All that
playing with a
gay
baby.
Now I
Now
got a
Caesar's playing with a baby. That's a real game. This is not, video game. That's real life, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm scared. No more babies for me, man. I'm out, man. I've been out the game for a long time. I'm staying out the game.
They probably requested some more too. That was some good footage.
But that's what works.
Yeah, that's what works. All right.
That's exactly what it works.
We all got that one uncle, right? All right, so this is, yo, if I only knew two, we've done the Move More challenge together.
Yeah.
And we're looking to bring it back even bigger and stronger next year. So it'll be
I don't know, honestly, Caesar, look at me, Caesar. I don't know if you're ready for that. You gotta be ready to bring that on, because I did dominate the half. It was like, where you at? And I just seen you in the gym.
Oh.
That's all I seen you in the gym. I'm like, where you at? Where's the
you want me
creativity?
in the streets?
Where you at, baby?
Oh,
I was everywhere.
You want me in these streets?
I was everywhere, doing everything. Like, where you at?
I'm gonna be traveling.
Calling you out.
I'm
I
gonna
was
be
calling you
traveling
out.
more. I'm gonna be traveling more, and I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be everywhere, man.
I was calling you out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in nature. I'm gonna be everywhere. All right, so yeah, we gonna bring it back, but. All right, this is not just for your entertainment. You gotta move too. Like, the whole point of it is to get us to move collectively so that we can live longer and healthier lives, right? So
and be the shit.
And be the
at
shit.
The end of the
be
day.
like that Super Saiyan level 9,000, whatever,
day.
Yeah, all day, every day.
Show your guns when you ready. Just raise them up. Ah!
Flex on them. So
go run 100 miles, whatever it is.
Yeah, so we look in the, at the end of the day, man, health is wealth. So if anything, just move more. That fundamental principle, all right? Just move more today than you did yesterday. It's just that simple.
Do it big. Do it big or go home.
Yo, check out his channel.
If I only knew the number 2.
The number 2.
I'm working on it.
Yeah.
I'm working on it.
Yo, it's some dope content, all right? Yo, go check him out. And spread the love. This is the Brooklyn way. All right? We signing off. I'm signing off. Got to get this kid to bed. All right? All right. Peace.